Hello everyone. Today we are going to be looking at how to use bulk tools to perform bulk actions in the GoAffPro app. Here in the bulk tools tab of the GoAffPro admin panel, you can click on the bulk action that you want to perform. As an example, if you want to import customers who shopped at your store before the app was installed, click on the import existing customers option. You only need to do this once to update the app with customers who shopped before it was installed, as the app tracks customers who come in after installation. This will open up the import customer database section. Now download the customer data from your store. The file must include the email or customer email column which contains all the customer emails. After this, upload the file. Finally, click on Submit. The customers will be imported into the program, and that's it.